Hey guys, what's up? This is Chris with a review and unboxing of the latest edition of the Nintendo Switch OLED, and this is of course the white and black model. So I just picked this up. It took about a week to find one in stock. I did not pre-order. I called around multiple stores and finally found a Walmart that had one. So what we're gonna do is just check this out. As you can see, the box is much different than the original version. The last Switch I had was the release version, March of 2017. So this is going to be quite the update from that model. It's, of course, the first time opening this. You see, I've got the white and black Joy-Cons, which are very, very cool. And of course, the new Switch itself with the OLED screen. Take this out, set it aside. See here, it comes with an HDMI cable, the new power supply, the classic grip controller, the handles for the Joy-Cons, and then my most anticipated the all-new white dock. Very slick. As you can see, very cool products here. And check out my channel for more in-depth review, as well as a comparison with the original, the OG Nintendo Switch, and see the differences here. Hope you guys all have a good day. See ya.